So I put some marigolds around, as you can see, because marigolds, they actually, I put them in my garden beds because they actually help to ward off pests that like to eat my food. So look at the radish. The radish is coming up now, isn't it? Also too, these turnips. Turnips are turning up. So remember before, the beets weren't quite there yet. So look at the beets. The beets are starting to make a little rhythm. So the carrots, carrots still, I don't know. Carrots are doing, they need a little time. Broccoli, look at little broccoli. Broccoli's starting to come up a little bit, right? And everybody else, you met all of them before. They're doing okay. Put some marigolds around inside of them, you know, put some marigolds inside. Everybody else over here is doing their thing. I moved the sage over here, oregano, some lavender. The cilantro still hasn't sprouted anything. Some more lavender. I don't know, cilantro. We gotta see a little lavender over there. So the snap peas are starting to come up. You see that? The snap peas. So this one here, so there's two with snap peas. This one and that one. And this one I'm doing a little experiment. I put some worm castings. So that one seems to be coming up a little bit more than the one that I did not put the worm castings. But the one where I did not put the worm castings, that one's coming up a little bit. Blueberries are still on the same level. Blueberries have not, I don't know. Maybe they need a minute. Like I said, I'm still experimenting with the blueberries, so let's see. But put marigolds all around, you know, put some marigolds all around. All these guys you met, so all these guys you've met before. Again, the arugula and the, well, this one is the mustards and this one is the arugula. I'm gonna have to thin them out. This a mess over here, child. I gotta clean up. But again, these are the bamboo sticks that I'm gonna use when I clean out those beds right there, because that's where my tomatoes are going with my tomato TPs. But that's, I don't know, in another day or so. Spinach is doing its thing, right? And look at the tarragon, it's just out here. Tarragon is tarragoning. The radish these radish I did not plant, well, this year. And as you can see, I got to do some weeding. But I was just showing you that I put marigolds in there. And I put some marigolds in here, although I really haven't planted. But that is the chives from last year. I know they're overgrown, but I don't know. I'm not eating that much that fast. You met these guys. Put a little marigold there, with this cauliflower. And as you can see, all the little flowers are coming on my strawberries. You see the flowers coming on my strawberries there? That means that those are going to turn into strawberries. I think that's what that means. And then I wanted to show y'all this. This is my alley. So this is the back, and that's my alley. And so as you can see, I got some plantain. That plantain is growing abundantly. See all the plantain that's growing out here? There's a lot of plantain growing out here. I'm gonna use the alley to plant watermelon, so I gotta find somewhere to dig. So I'm gonna put some watermelon back. I'm gonna put some sunflowers back here. I got some zinnias that I need to plant. I got some cosmos and some, man, I got so much stuff I need to plant. But in general, this is how it's looking. Let me go from the, well, it's hard to see the whole thing, isn't it? But yeah. And I'm gonna go in the greenhouse and show y'all what's popping in the greenhouse. So this is my greenhouse. And let me show you what's going on here. We're gonna call this the kitchen. So we got some curly parsley, some dill, some regular parsley, some peppermint, spearmint, rosemary, sweet mint, some lemon thyme, and like some regular thyme, and that's a flower, and that's some I'm gonna call it regular thyme, like down there. So, and this is like where I'm just like storing some of my pots and everything. So yeah.